Today we're going to change the air filter. So you just unclip 1, 2, 3 clips from the housing. Okay, and then we can lift that off here. Then we can remove the air filter like this. Oh my goodness, look what was in there. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at all that on the air filter. And the brand of the old filter was a Comline EAF 666. Now, in order to clean inside the air filter housing, we're going to disconnect this plug. What we're going to do next, we're going to suck out what was left inside the air filter area. We're also going to want to give it a little bit of a wipe down. There's a lot of dirt in there. And here they are side by side. You can see there is quite a difference there. Here's the side view, and we can see the old filter seems to have had a lot thicker layer of padding on top for some reason. And now we're going to insert the new filter. And we're going to clip the housing back on. Now we'll reconnect the mass airflow sensor, like so.